Well, Kia Picanto, 4 cylinders engine, petrol, 1.1 liter. This car had a crank position sensor problem and it wasn't starting always, so it's located there and we're gonna change it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. We start by removing the wheel and I put it there for safety, and I have the jack here for sure. And then here we're gonna have this cover, and it's held by 3 screws here and 2 there, so they look like this. And when we remove this, we're gonna have access to the crank pulley and the other belts here. So here we have 2 pulleys, 1, 2. Both are gonna be removed. The first one is gonna be removed by removing these screws or these bolts, and the second one is held by the crank pulley bolt. Before we remove the crank pulley's bolt, we have here the AC compressor and the alternator back. So we're gonna loosen the tension by this bolt here and this bolt there. I'm loosening this bolt here. Here we have this bolt and this one. I loosen them to make it easier so the compressor can go backwards easy. There we have the other one. Gonna also loosen it. So when I loosen this to the left, it will push the AC compressor forwards, so the belt will be easier to take off. I'm not gonna remove the bolts, I'm only loosening. So as you see here, I'm just gonna pull this out, and here it comes. And remember how it was sitting, it's better to put it the same way. Under the alternator we have this nut here. We're gonna loosen it a bit, and here it's already loose, so the alternator can go backwards and forwards when we are changing the tension. As you see here, when I'm loosening this, it's pulling the alternator here, so the belt is being released a bit. So the belts are removed now. We're gonna loosen this pulley, the small one. So it's held by 4 10mm bolts. This pulley is removed now. This is the small one, and it has this. Don't lose it. So I have now the wrench here on the pulley's bolt. It's a 19mm, and I'm gonna crank the car and turn it off fast, like just give it a small crank if you don't have a impact wrench. Here we have the crank pulley's bolt and the pulley itself, and it has this, so keep them somewhere safe. And now I'm gonna remove this cover. It's 10mm bolts around. This is the ring that sits on the crank pulley on this gear inside, so it sits there. So I took it from behind this cover, and this cover is going behind the water pump or the coolant pump and the oil dipstick. So I'm just gonna tilt it a bit there, and here we have the sensor. So I'm gonna remove it without removing the cover. So I disconnected everything holding it, and now I'm gonna pull it. I installed the new one, and the cable goes in between there first, and then you push it inside, and then you pull it from like around the alternator there, and then you get it up here, and then we're gonna connect it to this and to the lower bolt around, like close to the cover, and then yeah, we can connect it here. When you want to tighten, it's important that this cable is sitting in its place so it doesn't touch the belts when they are turning. Now I put everything back. We have this small pulley and the big one, and the ring is behind them. So the ring first, and then this one, and then the small pulley. I put back the belts, and now I'm gonna put back the tension. So about the tension, I like to put tension until I cannot turn the belt from the longest place here, until I cannot turn it like sideways, so like half turn. And if I can turn it half turn and not more with my hand, so the tension is good. The same thing with the alternator's belt and the water pump. And then when we are done, we have there the locking bolt, and this one, and here we have 1, 2, and then to the alternator we have also this nut here. So after we do the tensioning, then we can tighten this I showed. So now everything is back, and I turned the engine few turns with hand, so to be sure that everything is sitting good. And then I'm gonna start the car. Let's see. So it started good, and we are done. If you like my work and want to see more, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. So